Oh my god, do you smell that?
Yeah.
Ew.
Really yeasty.
So this is a quick guide on how to drink / prepare kefir so that it doesn't taste gross like it usually does. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is just process this out. Alright, so I'm going to taste this as it is now. Yeah, it's really strong. It tastes like, pretty much tastes like cheese. It tastes like a sharp cheddar cheese or something. So the first one we're gonna do is just your classic honey kefir, which is literally just putting it in here. And then all you do is get out your little honey pot. And this can go like, this makes it 10 times better. It's cold, the honey hardens up so you can't stir it that well. So maybe even consider blending this. Probably not though. So that's number one. That's the first way. Yeah, a lot better. This is another go-to. I actually don't do it that much because the honey one's so easy, but you got your blueberries, and usually, you know, if they're frozen, it makes it pretty good too. I mean, that's not enough. That's not a lot. And you could do this like with the whole thing to make the entire kefir blueberry flavored like they have in grocery stores or whatever, but I don't want to like, this is for demonstration. This isn't for altering a whole batch here. Get the blueberries in there. And maybe put a little bit more in. It's chunky. And so that's what you have. It's pretty much just like a blueberry milkshake. Let's see. Yeah, and it doesn't even need honey. It's sweet enough as it is.
And the texture's better too.
Yeah, and when you blend it, it really just like gets rid of all of the clumping and all the curds that happen.
Yeah.
Okay, here's another one. This is chocolate kefir. We're using this cocoa powder and then stevia extract, which is always good. My sister doesn't really like it, but it tastes good when it's in kefir. So we're gonna put in our chunky kefir. So for like about this much kefir, we're gonna do about a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Any kind of cocoa powder works. And of course the stevia, it's very strong, so I'll do like 2 drops. 1, 4, 5. Okay. Stevia is super strong. And let's see. Ooh. Got a little pressure buildup. Alright. It's good. It's really good. You have to be prepared for sourness in like sour chocolate. taste, which is it's a little different than just like a chocolate milkshake. Don't expect this to just be like a chocolate
It's
milkshake.
more like chocolate at like Pinkberry or something.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a chocolate frozen yogurt. And then, as all of the Kefir guys know, just continue the process and